Here are 3 animals that use their camouflage to look like tree leaves. Number 3, ghost mantis. It looks like a dried-up leaf, complete with jagged edges and fake decay spots. Oh, and it moves like a leaf in the wind. Total stealth mode. Number 2, the dead leaf butterfly. When its wings are closed, it's basically forest litter. It even has fake veins and bite marks. Number 1, the leaf-tailed gecko. Found in Madagascar, this lizard is a leaf. Its tail looks torn, its body mimics bark, and it disappears right into the forest floor. These creatures don't just hide, they become the jungle. Like and subscribe for more wild facts.